Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing the highest quality file, RAW if available. Open the image in Camera Raw or Develop because you need to correct exposure and white balance first. Once done, duplicate the background layer so you preserve the original. Make global adjustments, exposure, contrast, highlights/shadows, then apply profile corrections to fix lens distortion. This early assessment saves time later and prevents destructive edits, so make sure to work non-destructively and confirm the color space before moving forward. Now you refine tones and details with targeted tools. Add curves and levels adjustment layers to shape contrast, and use hue/saturation or selective color to fix color casts. Once that's in place, create masks to localize changes. Paint with a soft brush to dodge highlights or burn shadows. For portraits, use frequency separation to separate texture from tone. Make layers into smart objects and apply Camera Raw filter so you can tweak settings later without losing quality. This layered approach gives precise control over the image. To finish, perform final cleanup and export. Use Smart Sharpen sparingly based on final output size, then resize to your target dimensions and resolution. Convert and flatten only when needed. Instead, export copies using Save for Web or Export as embedding sRGB for online use. Make sure to check compression settings to avoid banding. If things go wrong, artifacts, odd colors, or halos, undo recent steps. Check adjustment layer order and masks, reduce compression, or reapply selective flattening to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.